Do you own a food truck? Tired of posting where you'll be next? Truckfindr has a solution. Log into your Truckfindr dashboard once a week and update your weekly schedule. Then let Truckfindr do the magic. Truckfindr will move your location daily. It's time to switch. We work 7 days a week just like you. So hit us up at Truckfindr. Your followers can find out where you'll be each day, effortlessly. Truckfindr. Download the app now.